see it in the mirror as well.
Alright.
Doesn't have a GPS signal.
Yeah, it's gonna work. Sharp turn. You can do whatever you want. It's fine.
I feel very slow.
It's fast enough.
I feel very slow.
The inside this time. Down.
Oh, carousel, huh?
Yes, down. And now block, gas.
Oh my god.
Gas. At the end, you jump out. Now.
Oh my god, that was insane, dude. Oh, fucking carousel, bro. That's so sick. How do you feel? Is the car doing well or what?
It's the suspension is
Great, eh?
fine. You don't need it any stiffer than that.
No, it's perfect, right?
Yes.
It's on the softest setting.
On
Okay,
the
what's
softest
happening here
setting.
now? We going slow?
No, it's easy peasy. No worries.
Oh, I need some.
You can see these corners. They're not blind.
Yeah, but I don't know how much they go around. You
Yeah,
keep
yeah.
going and going and going.
I'll warn you if I see danger. There's no
Very
danger.
long corners, you know. Is that a 350Z Nismo? Oh, what?
Yep. Slow. The curbs are high.
Yeah, very
Don't
high.
take 'em.
You don't want to hit those curves.
You don't want to hit those.
lose balance on the corner.
Yep.
Photographer there, yeah.
Yes.
Is this a fast corner, slow corner?
No, take it, take it.
Oh, we're going down here now.
Yes, you take the inside corner.
Slow?
Yeah, it's fine. This is bright side. See? This is where we are at. Don't make the points now.
Busy, eh?
Floor. Yeah, sure. Hey, ik zie de gasten zwaaien. They saw us.
Yeah.
They were waving at us. Whee!
I was not looking.
Better not. Alright, we're entering something called Vlugplaats.
Very wet slippery here. Fuck
Yes. If it's wet, we slow down.
Yeah. The track is very greasy there. You can feel like sliding a bit around in the corners,
Yes.
you know.
Floor it this time.
I'm
Floor it.
scared here, man.
Let me make this jump.
I don't know if it's dry or slippery, you know.
Gas, 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 jump, and then brake. If you go fast enough, you'll hit
Get
it.
air
and you
time.
go, whew! Yes.
I'm not sure if the track is dry or if it's just shiny from the rubber, you know. I'm like,
No, it's
Is it-
fine.
is it slippery or what, you know? Shit, this is a lot of fun, dude. But I think your help is really helping me, dude. Like, just giving me a
If
bit
I see
more.
danger, I'll yell.
Yeah, this is a lot of fun, man. I really am enjoying this. Car sounds so good as well, eh?
Made for this shit.
Eh?
Made for this shit.
Yeah, man. Fuck me, this is good, bro.
Go 120, a bit slower. Yeah, it's fine. You can slip out here. You're on the wrong side of the track, so 120 is fine. Yes.
I still don't see anybody coming past me. Crazy. There's a lot of fast cars behind us, bro.
You feel brave? Take another one.
How slow?
Sure, fine. Gas out.
That's the gear. Yeah, what speed?
Ah, that's a fine corner. Just roll them out, and that's the straight. Then you go under the
Full speed,
brakes to
okay.
guarantee. Floor it.
I'm scared, man. Shit.
Alright. This is a BTG lap. This brakes, people stop their watches like click. That's it.
Woo-hoo-hoo! That was fun, dude.
Alright.
Man, that was a lot of fun, dude. What
No
a
longer
fucking lap.
Nürburgring version.
What a fucking lap, dude. What a lap. Look at the fucking vibration on the brakes, like cooked, man.
Probably.
Holy shit. See, Nordschleife, I forgot to put it on. I just had to push one button, man. I forgot it.
No, you don't need to time it.
Yeah. We know for next time,
You don't.
we
need
just
to time
push it on again. That was so much fun, dude. What a fucking lap, dude. Woo! That was fucking great, man. Alright guys, so you just watched me do my first lap on the ring, and boy, what a lot of fun it was. This car is like an absolute go-kart around the track. It was my first time, and I had Lennart driving shotgun, giving me a bit of tips where to brake, which corners are sharp, what entry speed to have. So tomorrow I have a bit more fun and do a couple more rounds. so we get used to the track, and it was a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed that round, and we'll do a couple more of those. Letting the old gal cool down, she had a lot of fun screaming VTEC up to 7,200 redline, and no problems with the car. Absolute fun. And Leonard over here was a shotgun.
Yeah.
And he's calling the shots. So were you scared at any point?
No. We stayed safe. No worries. Car stayed together. I had some parts where I was like, yeah, slow down a bit. This is a bit like you don't take this corner with 140, 160.
But sketchy.
Yeah, but you drop 20k, and
yeah.
that's fine. It's fine.
But most of it was pretty okay, right?
Yeah. Just guess the speed. That's the difficult part. You can guess the speed wrong, and it goes terribly wrong.
Really quickly, really wrong.
Yeah,
so Leonard's done about 40 laps over the last 10 years.
Something
yeah, so
like
it was really nice to have somebody with me for the first time to really show me the track and really explain where we can go fast, where we need to be careful. And I think we had a really fun time. So I hope you enjoy watching as much as I did, because I had a lot of fun. I had a smile from ear to ear, and it was just the best fun.
Is your heart still beating? Let's check.
Yeah.
He's alive.
I got the heart monitor here on my wrist. Let's see, what am I doing? 83 BPM. So
okay,
a little spike over there somewhere along the line. So not too bad, man. But yeah, guys, just a lot of fun. This car is like best bang for buck. You get a lot of track day fun off a little 1.6 liter full banger VTEC single overhead cam Del Sol screamer. Cheers, guys.